this headlight lens. It's all got doing it. I'm going to clean it with some straight up toothpaste from right out of the bathroom. Did it before with baking soda. It works good. But that's all got doing it with the toothpaste, and it looks like it may do a better job. And also learned since then you need to put maybe like a light coat of wax on it to keep it from oxidizing back so fast. I think it was about 4 months ago I did them with the baking soda, and down here in the sun and the heat, and these things oxidize right back up real quick. So we get started. Alright, so I got a rag, some toothpaste. Let's go ahead and slap some toothpaste on there. Let's see what happens. So get it covering everything, and then I'll rub it in real good. Really get it on the paint. It's got some 3D whiteners in it, so maybe this will work extra good. Who knows? Pretty hot day too out here. I don't know how that's going to affect this, but we shall soon find out. Alright, wet the towel and then start rubbing it in a little bit. Looks like it's going to be a while for this, so I'll shut you down for right now. Come back. Decide to cover it a little bit more, and I'm going to let it dry, and then take it off. So I got a pretty good coating on there right now. Just let it dry, and then I'll start rubbing it on. Alright, I'm running out of time. I got a pretty good thunderstorm rolling in on me, so it's been about maybe 10 minutes. It's not really dry as I wanted to let it get. We'll start rubbing it off. We'll see what happens. Kill the camera while I get all this off, and we'll see what it looks like. Right now, I'm thinking the baking soda was a better deal. It's better. I don't know, maybe I rushed a little bit, but the baking soda, I think I'm going to go with the baking soda. It's not nearly the mess, and it just did a better job. Matter of fact, I'm going to go ahead and hit this one with some baking soda and finish it off. This just didn't. The toothpaste didn't cut it in my book. That maybe, like I said, maybe you let it dry completely or something. But I'm sticking with the baking soda. So let me get some of that, finish it off, and I'll show you the difference. Alright, it's my standard Headlight lens restoral towel is now full of toothpaste. Gotta use some paper towels and wipe some of this on. Apply a little baking soda. There we go. And that's what I'm talking about. You can feel, I think it's just got much more abrasive. And a much easier cleanup. I'm doing a little sloppy this time, but like I said, there's a storm coming. I'll kill the camera while I screw up for a while. What happened there? There it is. Looking much better. Probably wash the whole car now, but anyway. There it is. Looking good. Definitely, my money's on the baking soda.